All right, so a first version of the watch app that's standalone is available, but it is a little bit complicated. So let me walk you through it, how it works. First, very important, you gotta connect with the phone and attach the watch to that. Once you're connected, make sure that you see both voltage and cell voltage. And now you go to the end here, and at the bottom there is the remember button. You got to press that, and now you can disconnect the phone. And now you will see these two little icons on the top, and the phone icon is active right now. If you press the other one, that's the Bluetooth symbol, and now it connects over Bluetooth. So now you're connected directly to the board, and we can put the phone away and we can write off, and it will just work. Now once you've gone through the process, you don't have to do that again. So now this board will be remembered going forward, and you can just connect to it by switching to the Bluetooth mode on the home screen. But to be clear, there is not all the functionality available that you're used to. There's no ADCs, the remote doesn't work yet, and some of these